butter salad. What about the blue color? What is that?
I think I don't know that.
Yeah, what is that?
I eat blueberry.
Is it
Yeah.
blueberries inside a burger?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Oh, is it a spicy burger?
Yeah.
Can you show it to the camera?
Burger.
Wow, it's a colorful burger. Do you want to eat that burger?
Yeah, I want to eat. It's too spicy.
It's too spicy.
Yeah.
Oh, the burger got smiley. Is that smiley on the burger?
I already eat fries, but he fries them together. Stop. I cannot open it now. Wow! The Play-Doh.
What do you have inside there?
Play-Doh.
Yes, what's that? Oh, all that is Play-Doh.
Yes.
Wow, got many more colors.
There you go, color. Oh! I got little bee. I can get that.
Wow, it's big.
Yeah.
It's the biggest scoop.
Yeah. See the biggest scoop. Watch the blue. Oh, whoa. Oh, and all the
It
green.
has all the rainbow colors, Aga.
Yeah.
Yes. Are you ready to blend all the stuffs inside? We can put any colors that you like, okay?
Yeah, I think we need to scoop all of them. Oh! This and this and this. Is that good? Is that? Whoa! Why are you happy?
I know, it's ready.
Very pretty cool. Yeah, food.
Wow, all the pastel colors. I love all that colors. So many cool colors, right? Where is the blender? Yes, the ice cream looks cool. This is for me, and where is for you?
This is my
We got cool ice cream, Ada. Look at that. What is the color of the spoon? Gray, gray, gray.
Yes, 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 yes.
Mommy and Akak is doing his ice cream scoop.
This is my one. This is my one. This is my one. Okay.
Oh, that's yours. Look, yours got a teddy bear. Yours got a yellow teddy bear.